wild campers, Chris Davo here. Yeah, today we're on another wild camp in pastures new. We are in Birkdale. This is probably about as remote as it gets. Pardon me. So over there I think's like, that's Great Shunner Fell up there, and you've got like High Seat, Gregory's Chapel up there. I've done that walk before. Over that way is Birkdale Tarn, which I've done in a previous episode. I did like High Seat and I came down those hills there and went all the way over that way. So that's the geography bit done, and this is our camp. It's not as idyllic as we'd liked. We thought we'd come up off the bank because you can park down there somewhere, but up over there it's too windy, and we've got this tarp, so we had to like find somewhere to get out the wind a bit. So yeah, you can see it's a bit rough. It's all quite tufty and cozy though. We've got everything set up, and then it was a nightmare trying to find somewhere flat and out the wind. But we've kind of set up, you know, behind these sort of tufts. Like if we were up there, it would be well too windy, and then we wouldn't be able to put the tarp up. So this is as good as it gets. There's a bit of a bog down there, so after I've had a few beers, we're gonna have to sort of like be careful where we stand. But yeah, it's not bad. It's just nice to get out. Rough with the smooth. It's not always rainbows and sunsets. But as you can see, if you have a look at the land, it's pretty remote. I can't see anyone coming down here to sort of tell us to go away. As always, rocking the Nature Hike Cloud Up 2, and the I can't remember the name of it, the DD tarp, which proved itself in the wind last time. You can see I've got like some rocks down. Oh, that rock's fallen off actually. I need to stick that there. See that bit there? It's got a big rock on. If that came off, the whole tarp would go a bit tits up, so I'll make sure that's weighed down. But yeah, we're all set up, so once you're in the tarp it's quite sheltered, but it's a lot colder than it has been. It's very exposed up here. See. Perspective, yeah. Great Shunner Fell. Anyhow. There's our car. It's a weird shaped rock there. It looks like a dead alien or something. Any more wild than this. And that's the beauty of this spot. See, we're parked there, so we just came up that little path round, and our tent's literally 2 minutes away, so we've got all the wildness and isolation without fucking having to walk miles. Walking back, a little lookout over the, is it Logs Crag or something? Can't remember what it's called. But we can just see our little tarp. I'm just saying there, like, what if we couldn't find our way back? But we can see the tarp, so that's good. What? Proper wilderness. There's no one going to come and tell us to move on. Oh yeah. You can see Birkdale Tarn. Over there. Whew. It's nice to have a little mooch about though. Explore the area you're camping in. But it's, yeah, it's wild, man. There's no like paths or anything. So if you do come up here, just bring some good footwear. Oof. Bit boggy down here. Just down there. And there's our top. Home sweet home. So I'll give you tarp still standing, which is good. I'm always worried that it's going to blow down, but yeah, I'm videoing. Screechy. Just careful where you put your feet. So there's our setup. Look at it. Yeah, so much. As soon as you come down here, it's like a lot less windy, which is why we picked this spot. Oh, guitar. Might have to play Hotel California in a minute. Anyway, back at base. There's our tent over there. So cool, man. This is like the most wildest fucking spot you could imagine. That's only a quarter of a mile from the car. So it just goes to show you don't have to go far from your car if you want to fucking get out there, out in the wild. Top of the morning to you. Another day, another dollar. Time is 7:31 AM. And just woke up in Birkdale. I think I had a good 5 hours sleep, which is good. Oh, man, the sun's out. The midges are gone. Woke up about 5:30 for a piss. And it was just, they were swarming like you've never seen. It's a bit like Scotland, similar. Yeah, so I just got up now. I think I'm gonna make a coffee. The tarp seems in one piece. It's always a worry when we go camping, is the tarp gonna survive the winds? Because it was pretty blustery last night, to say the least, but we hankered it down pretty well. And yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, tarp. Sorry, I just woke up. Can't really form words properly at this time of the morning. I was a bit hungover as well. Last night I got a little bit drunk. Watch the moon. Totally lost my train of thought. Staring around at our beautiful surroundings. So yeah, the plan of attack is get a coffee on, chill out for a bit, and then yeah, pack up. We're going to go and meet Sarah's sister in Keld, at Keld Lodge. I'm going to pop in for a coffee at Keld Lodge and see my mate Matthew, who works there, and yeah, go do the Keld Muka walk. I think the classic Keld Muka walk. So I might film that, I might not. I've already done an episode on that. Oh, pardon me. Better out than in. So yeah, get the coffee on.